Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change font color in Weebly. This is a simple yet essential skill that allows you to customize your website's text and make it more visually appealing to match your brand or design preferences. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites and projects. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a dashboard with various options. Look for the section labeled Website and click on it. This is where all your created websites are stored and managed. Under this section, you'll find an option that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next step. Now you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Choose the specific website you want to edit. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll find an Edit button. Click this button to open up the website editor, which is where all the magic happens. With your website editor now open, it's time to locate the text you want to modify. Navigate through your pages until you find the specific text element where you'd like to change the font color. This could be a heading, a paragraph, or any other text block on your site. Click directly on the text element to activate it. Once it's active, carefully highlight the letters or words whose color you want to change. You can select a single word, an entire sentence, or even just a few characters depending on your needs. After highlighting your text, a pop-up menu will appear with various formatting options. In this menu, look for an icon that resembles a capital letter A with a line underneath it. This is your text color tool. Click on this icon to reveal the color picker. From the color picker that appears, browse through the available colors and choose the one you want to apply to your selected text. You can select from preset colors or use a custom color option if your theme requires something specific. Once you've made your selection, the color will be applied instantly to your highlighted text. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the font color of your text in Weebly, giving your website a more customized and professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.